Okay, Tech Tip Thursday. If you walk in and you are dealing with a full dead soup well and your controller is dead, what you want to look for is it plugged in, number one. And if you plug it in and it stays dead, then you're going to want to immediately look at soup well 1. Soup well 1 is where we draw our power for our Cook Tek unit. And what I did here to get this unit working so they can actually operate is I unplugged 1 from the controller and I plugged 2 into the controller's input, so that way they actually have an operating 5 soup wells. That being said, when we get soup well 1 back in, we're going to want to plug it back into its correct location for reporting's sake. So I'll kind of see if I can give you a better angle from behind. You can see all of our green lights, and let's see if I can do this. So 1 plugs in there, and then they just go right down the row. So now 2 is currently plugged in where 1 goes. Good thing to have in your back pocket. Gets this unit back up and operational. They can use 5 of their spots and continue with their sales, especially when it's cold out. Makes a big difference. Hopefully that helps you out. Have a good day.